All right, so finally, ETS has come forward and they've recognized that their intake has caused problems. This was causing problems on both the JB4 and the Cobb access port. It was making it much harder to tune for the JB4, kind of get everything right, just because the math was so screwed up. So they've come out with a statement. So it says, "Thank you for being one of hundreds of ETS customers who purchased the intake. Recently come to our attention that a small number of you have experienced dynamic advanced indexing that remains low after installation due to excessive timing as part of throttle association." So this is not a small number. I believe it's almost everybody who has an intake. The only ones that weren't having issues were the ones that were running ethanol with their 93 tune from Cobb. From what I've seen, like I said, there's not a ton of people with the access port just yet. Go here. So it's with the dam values low, your vehicle's not running full timing and may impact drivability and performance moving forward. We will now provide an insert that effectively reduces the diameter of the MAF housing in an effort to mitigate this part throttle fuel trimming that can occur. The reason I'm making the video is because it's kind of cool. So if you experience lower dam after installation as an intake, please email a copy of your invoice and we will send you out a sleeve free of charge. So like I said, if you've got the ETS intake, whether you think you're having issues or not, I recommend just going ahead and reaching out and getting that sleeve, especially if it's free. Go ahead and get it just so the car runs better and runs properly. And like I said, there was a few people that had issues stock. Most people didn't have issues stock. They just had issues once they put the access port or the JB4 on. The JB4 at the moment has more customization, so you're able to kind of adjust. But the Cobb access port did not have that same adjustment yet, because Pro Tuning is not available. So like I said, if you have one, I recommend going ahead and reaching out to ETS and getting this sleeve so your car can run properly, and hopefully you can get it even more dialed in and make more power.